Alright everyone, welcome back to FixZone.
Today we're tackling a common question: how to give TikTok access to your photos on your iPhone. It's actually super easy, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. Method 1. Through App Settings. First, open up your iPhone Settings app. Now, scroll all the way down until you see a section for your apps. Tap on that. Then, keep scrolling until you find the TikTok app in the list and tap on it. Once you're inside the TikTok settings, look for Photos at the top and tap on that. Here, you'll have a few options. You can choose None, Limited Access, or Full Access. For this example, we're going to choose Full Access. Tap Allow Full Access. That's it. Now the next time you go to TikTok and try to upload a photo, you'll have full access to your library. Method 2. Through Privacy Settings. Okay, here's another way to do it. Open your Settings app again. This time, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and tap on that. Now, scroll down a little bit until you find Photos, and tap on that. You'll see a list of all the apps that have requested access to your photos. Find TikTok in the list and tap on it. Again, you can choose None, Limited Access, or Full Access. Select Full Access, and then tap Allow Full Access. And that's it. Both of these methods will give TikTok full access to your photo library. Hopefully, this was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.